Driver don't get stuck inside flood during a heavy rain wey happen for Lagos. So my people, if una see disaster, hey! Omo, now so the car just dey stuck. The man no fit comot for the place. He just stand there. Oh, if you see water even full inside the car. The man no, if they check left, if they check right, nowhere to pass. My people, now so people surround. I see crowd. Now so thank God, because unlike other people now to stand and watch, but these ones they help and come out, they help and remove the car. You understand? So I beg, I bring a corner aside so that una go know wetin dey happen. Because join me, make we watch the video. Èkó ò ní bàjẹ́ o, ó bàjẹ́ tí. Omo, if you come back in peace, thank God. You know how many people this flood matter don kill? When they even try help them, they don't feel survivor. They try. Omo, you no go understand. But the thing now wey I no understand be say, how come this guy get himself inside that particular middle of the place of the area of the sorry? How he reach there? Ha! Wait oh, before you reach that particular place, abi you been dey drive? You can't reach that. I don't understand. Because as I dey see am, if una ask me, the water don already plenty before this man. I dey suspect say he be wan do sharp one. May just pass. Bros, before just park this your car, wait, make the rain stop or make it reduce before you continue. People just like they put their life at risk. And now for this one now, they involve our government. Government. Do road, you say no. Una dey focus on a cow. Database, cow. Any small thing, cow. Do this one, cow. They no go do the one way they supposed do. Now only cow una dey give attention. See road. Sanwo-Olu, you dey part of this thing because that, in fact, all of now until people die before una go realize say una don fail. Until people die, now before una go realize say una don fail. I no just understand. Lagos. Sanwo-Olu go there now watch this video. He go do like say they no call not be in state, he not consign now. Now only that one they go just they do. And rainy season never start to my people. Rainy season never even start. See wetin we don dey suffer. If rainy season come start, omo, now I be say I no even want imagine wetin we go experience. Why government no fit just create good channels of where water fit dey pass? No be just Lagos. Many states they suffer this thing. Many states, not be only Lagos. Why una no fit just? I no understand all the meetings wey una dey get. Wetin una dey discuss? Animal kingdom. Now wetin una dey discuss? Or how to borrow money? Or how to bring another security uniform? Wey na another useless nonsense thing. Wetin una dey discuss inside una meeting? See, I don't know wetin these people they learn if they travel. I don't know wetin they learn if they travel. Every day they don't go obodo oyibo. Una no dey see their roads. Una no dey see. For UK, you go see gutter, but you no know say na gutter. Everything they were covered, modernized, looking nice. No, our own. Holele. Now God go help us. Bros, thank God say you no die. And I hope say this thing go teach you and all of us lesson. No dey rush. I still dey talk and this guy, he wanted to play smart one to quickly pass before the thing. But no. Make una see, value your life. Value your life. I no go talk past that one. Abeg, na wetin happen for Lagos be this, live and direct. So abeg, make una help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin don happen and they go dey prepare for the rainy season wey dey come. Because if rainy season never start, we don dey experience this one. Then imagine. Abeg, share this video so that Lagos State government too go know say something must be done concerning this flood matter. Subscribe if you never subscribe so you no go miss anything wey we get here for you. I dey here for una as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.